Will Allah accept my salah, my prayers, if I'm making them in my native language? Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulillah. Salah is something that is confined. It's an act of worship. It's confined to the habit, the modality, and the teachings of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But within salah, there are instances where we are able to voluntarily insert particular supplications and prayers that are meaningful to us. So to enter the prayer, it is an obligation to raise the hands and say, Allahu Akbar. Now that isn't something where you would raise your hands and say, God is the greatest or nothing is greater than God. You would literally have to use the Arabic pronunciation, Allahu Akbar. So those are things that are mawquf, they are confined and cannot be changed. Similar are the capabilities of saying the Fatiha. Now, for those who have entered into Islam and they have not yet learned the prayers, at the very simplest moment, it would be to enter into prayer, to say Allahu Akbar, to follow the motions of the Imam who leads them into prayer. And it's permissible for you to, for example, hold a sheet of paper, place something near you where you can read off it what it is that is required for you to say. However, if you want to introduce prayers, oh my Lord, oh God, oh Allah, help me through this financial difficulty. Oh Allah, bless my children, guide them to Islam. All these kind of things that are additional to the salah. The ulama, they have two opinions. They say in non-supergatory prayers, meaning one of the non-5 prayers, the Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib, and Isha, that is something that is acceptable. You can add those kind of native language supplications. The other opinion is it can be in all prayers, even in those 5 prayers, as long as it's additional to the extra actions that are compulsory to be said in the native Arabic in following the modality and tradition of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I do encourage you to have meaningful prayer with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in your voluntary prayers in particular, where while you're in your sujood, which is your prostration, you are the closest to Allah. Ask Allah for what you need in the way that you need it. Allah knows what's in your heart and what is on your tongue, and even before you exclaim it with the movement of your lips. May Allah accept all of our prayers. Allahumma ameen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like the videos so that you can get notified of the new releases, and consider donating to this worthy cause.